A lot of people think that your memory is something that just inevitably or magically gets lost or weaker as you get older, but there are a lot of lifestyle factors and brain training factors that go into maintaining or neglecting your memory that you're probably contributing to every single day and don't know it. Memory is actually a highly trainable skill, and the brain is so incredibly adaptable. There are things that you can do to maintain and improve your memory. Part of the brain that's most closely associated with memory and learning is the hippocampus. It's shaped like a seahorse. That's why it's called hippocampus, because hippocampus means seahorse. When you exercise, it protects the hippocampus like nothing else you would believe. If we could bottle up all of the amazing memory and cognitive protective effects of exercise and put it into a pill, it would be flying off the shelves faster than Ozempic, okay? When you exercise, it strongly encourages the production of something called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. BDNF is like Miracle-Gro for your brain. BDNF is a protein that strengthens synaptic connection. The synapse is in between the two neurons, which are brain cells, and that's what allows them to speak to each other. So like the neurons are the cities and the synapse is a highway between the two of them. BDNF goes in and strengthens the shit out of that highway so that the information travels faster between the two cities. Okay. And if you're exercising hard enough, which would be 80% of your 1 repetition max, then the hippocampus can actually get larger, like physically grow. So amazing for our brain's overall neuroplasticity, which is our brain's ability to change, rewire itself, form new neural connections. Also supports neurogenesis, which is formation of new neurons specifically in the hippocampus. 2, the act of trying to remember strengthens memory more than rereading something does. So actually pushing your brain to search for the answer when you go, which was that? Or what was the answer to that? Or what is that thing called? That right there, that process, that's neuroplasticity. So recall your day backwards. Ask yourself, what did I eat yesterday? What did I do yesterday? What did I wear 2 days ago? What did this happen? Where did I park here? Where did I go? Doing things that challenge your brain to go back and think in a way that it doesn't normally. So much of bad memory is truly just an attention problem. You think you have a bad memory because you're not observing details intentionally, but try practicing it, like how many exits are in this building, or what's this person's eye color, or what does that license plate say, and then recall it later, actively looking out for things to challenge yourself with later. You might realize you have a better memory than you think. Last thing is novelty. Sometimes the best thing to introduce to your brain is something that it's unfamiliar with, that it's not that good at. Doing things that you're not familiar with, whether it's a new hobby or a new practice or just a different way of solving a problem. Don't automatically ask someone else for help or look up online how to do it. Work your brain. Trying new things, new interests, new hobbies, new challenges. Last thing is sleep. A lot of people love to glamorize not sleeping and grinding and sleeping for 4 hours because I'm working so hard. Yeah, you're not learning anything that way. And your memory is not actually being consolidated or being organized into long-term thoughts or patterns because you're not allowing your brain to do that. You have to sleep, optimize your sleep, and sleep as much as possible. I promise you your memory will improve so much. Take your brain health and your memory seriously. It's so important.